how much
We do 5k today.
Running.
5k.
5k. 33 minutes.
10k.
10k.
100k. Views on Instagram. Promise karo vlog pe you have to come.
Definitely.
Yes.
Not gonna show up, bro.
Never gonna make it.
Shout out to Jasmeet bro. He stopped Arthak. Arthak bro.
Wow, new member.
आप कितना भागोगे?
आज मैं भाई 500 मीटर मारूंगा
5 kilometers.
Have to do 5 kilometers. Boys, how do you feel? Great. We can easily do it.
Easy.
Easy.
Let's go.
Done, done, done.
How was the 5k?
Easy.
Great, you got it. Yes, thing completed finally.
5k, baby.
Guys, after working for continuously for 5 hours a day today, we had to come for this run. We came and we came, we saw, we conquered.
Praise the Lord.
I mean, that's how we gotta do it. We gotta do like 2 runs in a week so we can like build up our pace.
So guys, this wasn't a run. This was research. Since we're gonna drop apparel, Bhag clothing, wait for it, it's gonna come. We're trying out different materials, different brands to see which one is the absolute best, and then we'll formulate our product and put it out for you.
We'll want to like cause and the plan of action.
Bro, hello vlog.
What are you doing up here early in the morning?
Vlog.
Say hi to Uranium, Bhag athlete from Mumbai.
Bhag Mumbai coming soon.
Everyone,
Good morning, lads.
we are going to Gurgaon right now. We've almost reached Gurgaon.
We are in Gurgaon.
We are in Gurgaon right now. Early morning, woke up at 6 o'clock. Now we are fighting the Gurgaon corporate traffic. But that's it is. Why we are in Gurgaon?
I have been on the road for 1 hour 20 minutes.
What's the reason to be in Gurgaon?
only?
Bhag. Bhag.
Bhag Gurgaon.
Yeah. Also, any sponsors for hydration watching this video,
Please hit us up.
yeah. But one thing more, bro. Like, I think this run will be like really productful because a lot of people from different sectors will be coming to it. Like, not Gurgaon sectors, but like working sectors.
Oh,
It's going to be like very
it's all
diverse.
exposed. Okay, it's fine now.
It'll be like very fun. But let's see, first location. Data fam where we are.
We're at Leisure Valley.
Scouting for places for the upcoming Bhag run. Okay, I have to say this. I like this place. But
There's
seems-
open area.
Open area, very close to all the places in Gurgaon. Rasa Leisure Valley. Let's go talk to them if they like let us have a poster and coffee thing. Sir, what do you think?
I think it's a good spot. We just need to figure out the running situation.
Same. I think I like the vibe. How's the menu?
Seems decent enough.
Better than that? Stay tuned, guys, if you like. So Shrey and Ria, much appreciated. Okay, Joy, review the food. Usually we don't promote food or any other brand on our vlog, but Mamma Mia, it's lovely. Productful day in Gurgaon, I think so.
Yep.
And also because we came like pretty early,
We've been here for like 9 hours.
and it's just been 3 o'clock, so we can go back, do our other stuff, maybe possibly hit the gym.
3k. Hello vlog. This is vlog
3. So a little recap. So Gurgaon scouting has been done. Today is Friday.
Tomorrow is the Gurgaon run, and then day after we have the Delhi run.
So we have expanded our horizons and we are going towards 2 runs, and it's kind of exciting.
Exciting and very, very tiring for us.
It's going to be tiring for us, but Gurgaon has a decent enough numbers that are showing up in our Google Forms. Let's see what happens tomorrow. We are hoping for the best. We are excited for the Gurgaon run for only one reason, and that is to meet the Gurgaon corporate world at the run, nothing else, because I think that is one part of the community which we really wanted to tap into.
And the main reason we want to tap into that community is because so many people move from different cities, states, and come to Gurgaon, start working at these big companies, but they don't make friends outside of work.
Yeah, because the only way you make friends is either friends and relatives, or maybe your
Mutuals.
work people.
Yeah.
So if you want to find someone who's like-minded, who loves working out, who loves going out into the nature, maybe runs, so that's the right place. Bhag is the place right meant for you. Bhag. Alright people, so we just talked to CCD and I think they're happy enough to host us. But वो थोड़ा डर रहे हैं कि 200 लोग होंगे, so it must be a trouble or something like that. Even we talked to them about Bhag people के लिए discount, so they're like, they need to talk to the area manager and stuff. But I think with time it will be done. So because we like this place, it's open, सब लोगों के लिए बैठने के लिए. It's near to Nehru Park.
You know what would be better though? A Bhag cafe.
Delulu is the Solulu.
With food tasting at basil.
Freshly made. What do you think about the gym, bro?
It's good. We're not getting paid to promote the gym, but it's sick.
Are you late, bro? Let's go.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Gurgaon Run, week 6 or week 1 for Gurgaon.
1 is running alone, 2 is a run club.
3 is a party, 4 is a park run club.
Yeah.
I'm the part of the park run club. Guys, whoever is in Gurgaon, we need you guys to come for the next runs as well, because for this run you didn't come, looks like that. But anyways,
How are we feeling? How are we feeling?
Spirits high.
Josh is high.
What's up, vlog?
So whoever's seen this vlog till now, they must be recognizing this basement. We're back at the Gant Cafe.
Run was great.
I think run was fine, bro. Like really, all the people who came for the run, Gurgaon Run, you guys are warriors, conquerors, champions, and Bhag winners.
are the champions.
But really great, guys. You came. Gurgaon people have a different energy, bro. Like Delhi people, you gotta match it up. I know you are more in number, but Gurgaon people have like a to them.
Oomph factor.
They have the oomph factor.
Again, cafe, use Bhag 15 for a 15% discount.
And sir will give you a discount.
Yeah, definitely.
Guys, so when we previously said that if you come to Digant Cafe, you get a discount, that is 100% serious. We just got one. 10%, not
Bhag
50.
10.
Bhag 10 on 10.
Bhag 10 on 10.